difference between these, right?
Looks like the same one. Oh no, yes,
Yeah, so I think it's reading from this first one, whereas the second one is what one it should be reading from. Do you know if you made any changes to it? It's weird because it's the exact same character.
Yeah. I'm not. No, I don't think so. So maybe I can ask him, Eduardo.
Yeah, I'm reaching out to the developer right now. I want to see if I delete one of them, if that's okay. Like, I don't think it'll be an issue, but
Well, you can try. We can try if we can. If it's an issue, we can call you again.
yeah. No, let me reach out to. There's two developers, but. Of course, no one is reaching out to me right now. I'm gonna delete this row, so hopefully this row is the leading decider there.
Okay.
Let me hit OK there. And then, do you want to try making that or renaming that part again? You don't have to share your screen. Just try it really quick.
Okay. Let me see.
Yep.
Now we have number 4.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't know why that one did that, what it did, but I like because it shouldn't do a duplicate. Like what this is actually looking for is like, okay, does it exist? Yes or no. If it exists, bump the counter up. If not, create a new row and start a new counter.
Yes.
Like that's how this is supposed to work.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why it created a second instance. If that was like a new field or something, maybe when you're testing around, it might have created one differently.
Maybe Eduardo, because I don't even know how to go inside to this.
Okay, but yeah, I think that'll fix the issue.
Okay.
Like I said, if it happens again, we might want to look into what might be causing it. But this might just be a one-time. Okay, it's fixed.
Yep.
So, because the other option that I was gonna do is just manually update the number. Because I could come in here and say, okay, the next one is like 7 or 8 or something.
Yeah.
I'm not going to do that, but I could, and just force it to use that number. But, but yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
I can't tell you for sure.
Yeah, right now it's working. Michael, the other thing is how we know where we're using or what is the available licenses for for the PDM. We know that we have 3. But for some reason we only have 2 login, and I don't know how to go to the next one. So
here's the license manager.
License manager.
You have 3 right now, and this shows you who's using it.
Okay.
You're using
we can have access to the license manager in any computer.
Yeah. So you can either do it from here. I'll make you the presenter again. From the admin tool, you can look at it too.
Okay.
close out of here.
So from the admin to
Yeah.
here.
Yep, so if you log into any of the vaults, but I guess the beta is what you're using. And then from here, there's the licenses. It's like right in the middle. If you click on that, hit open, or yeah, and then license usage. It should show you who's using what. So it shows you the user who's logged in, what computer they're logged in from, and when they started.
Okay.
So you can, so a lot of like, so you are using all three. It might just be one person using it that should be.
Yeah,
and
that's
you only have the three, right? You don't have any like contributors, do you?
Yes, I have 3.
Okay, so if you hit the drop down where it says SolidWorks PDM Professional CAD Editor and Web. So you also have the contributor and web. So you have 3 free here. These are more for people that don't use SolidWorks.
Okay.
So if you hit OK here, so you have 3 free that aren't being used. If you want, so every time, the way you installed it, I think makes it so it wants to pull the CAD editor. But if it's someone that wants to pull just the contributor, so they don't use SolidWorks, they open up this tool and then go to Help in the top left. And then About SolidWorks PDM Administration. So you can change what license type you use right here. Where it says Client Type, there's a drop down.
Okay.
So like everyone is probably at a CAD editor right now. So when you have your 3 on, no one can use it. If you change 3 of those users to contributor, then it will.
Okay. Okay.
Then you'll have access to all 6.
Okay.
But the difference is that one of them lets you use the SolidWorks add-in, and the other one is just like you have to do from Windows Explorer.
Okay.
But yeah, so you just switch the people that need to, and that'll get them on.
Okay. Okay. No, sounds great.
And yeah, if you make that change, I think it tells you, but you probably have to reboot your machine if you make that change because it changes the registry.
Okay. Perfect. So, okay. So if we have any other questions, I give you a call, Michael.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
And like, I usually am a little better at responding to emails just because I have a lot of different meetings. So, if you leave a voicemail, I'll call you back. But if you send me an email, I'm usually better at responding.
Okay. Perfect. That sounds okay.
Yeah, whatever works best for you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Michael.
Yeah, no problem, Ignacio.
Okay.
Have a great day.
Have a good day.
Have a weekend.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Ya está, David.
Ah, ¿sí?
Ahí parece que sí, que lo calas. ¿Quieres para que hagas el que... Déjame... Cancelo esto.
¿No viste el combo?
Creo que no.
¿No?
Lo calas de todos modos para que lo veas a ver cómo funciona. Te aseguras, te va a dar otro número. Creo que ya vamos como el número 4. Te va a dar el número 4, parece.
Ok.
Bueno, así es de que lo ves, ¿verdad? ¿Qué va a dar?
¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estás?
¿Bien, tú?
Aquí.
¿Cómo te